When you get there, just use the key card you found to get inside. Looking for any intel that might tell us where they're keeping Lab Rat.
Di pa rin ba nahanap si Labrat?
Ano yan, dalawang babae?
Okay, start at the top and watch out for guards. Wow, I definitely screwed something up with this mix.
Ito. Taas na tayo. Hindi mo ako meet up kay Labrat, di ba? Manapot.
Hmm.
Oh no, I think Frank's hit.
Sasalubusan yung mga baril dito.
Hey, it's Lucha. We got a problem. I don't think Dax is gonna make it.
I need you, buddy. I'm in the hole, man.
Nasa yung tropa namin si Labrat, labas nyo na. Damay civilian dito.
Magwawala ako dito. Search for a clue, locate the Labrat.
Search for local daw. Ano minahanap kayo? Hindi mo makita? Ano?
Let's go, let's go.
Pamo? Ano ka?
Hmm.
Ayun na, may mga tao dyan sa labas ha.
Hey, this place is a war zone. Grab in.
Wala, dito.
You're entirely to the world.
Bago. Hindi na tao.
Come on! It's in my head, man. It's in my
Ayun
head.
si Labrat.
Lab rat,
Tinorture to.
lab rat, are you okay? Can you hear me? Can I get a badunk-a-dunk,
Sabog na
buddy?
sabog eh, no?
Bodak,
Hey,
badak.
tell Dax not to worry. I cracked my tooth and I took my emergency dose. I'm in my KO, man. I didn't tell him anything.
Ooh. Oh, fuck, never mind. We gotta get you home. Hey, can you hotwire this car? Good, we gotta move.
Isn't up yet. Finish our session, and I think we're going to get the best
Setup.
face to face.
What the
We've got a
fuck?
lot to discuss.
Ito.
Who the hell are you?
Oh, my apologies. My name is Dr. Isaiah Friedlander, PhD. I want us working together.
Yeah? Well, what if I shit down your neck instead?
Coprophagic ideation. Fascinating. I wish we had time to explore it, but I'm afraid I need to expand your mind in another direction. I'm sure you know me from my wildly successful TV special and radio show. But deep down, I'm not just a celebrity. I'm a healer. I see our society in terminal catastrophic psychological decline, and only I can help. Only I have the cure. Psychedelic-assisted therapy with a new drug 10 times more potent than psilocybin. That's why I founded the Freed Mind Pharmaceutical Corporation, to produce the only medicine that can heal a broken spirit.
Oh, listen to him.
Heal our
He'll drive you
collective
crazy.
unconscious. With this drug, I can bring peace to all. I already have the precursor chemicals. 80% of the world's stockpile. All I need is your friend here. He's one of only 3 people in the world with a PhD in this precise field.
Wait. Is this what this is all about? You want Lab Rat to crank out your shitty new drug on the cheap?
I wanted him to be a pioneer, to help me build a temple of peace and sanity deep in the jungles of South America. But I'm afraid his mind is too far gone to be useful to me.
Yes!
Your other accomplice, on the other hand,
Really?
look at me.
Don't look at him.
Come to South America. We'll be rich.
Don't look at him.
Fuck you, but I'm gonna!
Idiots. Degenerates.
Do it, Lucha Cherish move.
You're blind. What's wrong with you? Why can't you see?
Here's what the cherish the only way.
All I can see is this is pointless. Your time is up. Lights.
What the fuck? Sorry.
Dah.
Where is he? Shit, the car, we gotta move. Let's fucking move!
Ang taas ng brightness ng ano mo, monitor mo, pahat niyan. Hindi mo mararamdaman yung hinaan, yung reality.
Magagawa, ang liwa-liwanag dito.
Ayun na. Sino yung driver?
Drive. Go.
Ako? Puta kayo na ba't ako? Nga. Dalang babae na sa labas, oh. Anis.
Space.
Ay, sorry.
Screaming, man. He's right in there, me. Get your hands up.
Ba't ba bumarel?
Man, you just got shape.
Uy, ba't bumaba to? Ba't yung bumaba?
Fucking Freelander.
Sakay. Gago.
Gago, pinasabit sa labra to.
Ay, gago. Sorry. Sakay. Yan. Aray. Kailangan ba talaga, ano? Isang sasakyan tayo. Bumaba ka kaya?
Andar.
That...
Utang na mo, puro bintana yung tama, oh.
Gago, merong ano. Yolo. I remember this day. Uy, ba't namamangga to? Kupal ka ba? Gusto mo gawin namin 10 ulam mo.
Let's get home.
Sorry, Dax.
Sorry, nothing. Fresh meat. Get us back to the freak shop. Let's go. Thanks for your help getting this one back. We're gonna get Freaklander for this. I got a special move all saved up for him. Dax, I got a present for you. Dax.
Dax, ito na tatay mo.